Miss.
I mean, I won't go all the way to the end of it before I take off.
Okay.
See if I can get my fat gut covered up here. Let's cope.
Hold on 1 second. I'm moving around while I'm putting my gloves on. Okay.
Slip rope. Slip rope.
Alright. Engine's warmed up. Engine started. Going to make a quick run. Right here in Millinocket Municipal Airport. Off it goes. Little 360 view. See if we can keep this camera nice and still. We're gonna go to the other end. Oops. Keep it in focus here. There goes to the runway. You see the windsock, a little bit of wind. It's early in the morning, sun just coming up. Turning the plane around at the end there. Beautiful sunrise in the background. Here he comes. Nice smooth takeoff. Trying to keep him on this side so I don't lose him. It's a little cloudy this morning, a little windy. It's going to be a little hard to see him. And even with the low wind, it's no problem. He's going to stay right inside, he said, so even though you might not be able to see him, I can still see him. I'm not sure if you can still see him on the camera or not, but he's going to stay nice and close by. Those clouds will make it hard to keep an eye on him. I know he's in there somewhere. It's easier to see him without the clouds. That spot right there. There's a circle around the airport here. Boat around here. Stuff to follow him in the clouds. He's got the engine. He's gonna come back around again. Hoping I can catch him. As he comes back around, it's tough to see him in the clouds. Should be coming. There's the glass right there. There he is. He's down. Excuse me. There he is. gonna try to hit me now. Another time. There you go. And there it is.
It's windy up there.
Oh, I imagine. Did you want to walk around the plane real quick and explain anything? Or?
You're still alive right now?
I am. I can shut it out.
No, go ahead.
Go ahead.
All right. Mr. Adam is his name, I believe. This is the bottom of the wing. What you see in there is some mud from some grass strips that I went into that were a little soggy. And inspection cover. A little weight balance for the flaperon. Top of the wing. It's a little dirty. I was too lazy to paint the turtle deck, but I love my decal. This is the new spring for the tail wheel. That's a Tailorcraft tail wheel, Pneumatic. Makes taxiing a lot smoother. This rudder is a little bigger. I mean, so while it's a little thicker through, had that done before I recovered it. Top of the right wing. She's still filming?
Yep.
Oh, I can see what I'm seeing right there, right?
Yeah.
There we go. It's a little dark underneath here. Probably not going to come out very good right there. I think it's kind of dark. Got bush landing gear. Mecco brakes. HKS engine. I sent him some more pictures of that with the cowling off, so. You got some of the inside of it, right?
Yeah, you can do it again if you want to make it all one tape.
I don't know if you can. Probably too dark in there to see back there too right now, but try to give him a shot of that. Little pouch here for luggage. Try to get a shot of that instrument panel. Probably shaking because it's a little cold out today.
Yeah, it is.
My Mecco brakes. You can see them or not. No leaks. That's my fuel shut off. This is for the flaps. flaperons. Switches, radio, compass, GPS, cabin heat, that's the tank right there. You can always see the level of fuel right there, same as the other side here. I can get it. Antenna for the GPS. Antenna for the radio. That's my gasculator right there sticking out. Check the fuel for water. This is the little fiberglass that I was telling you about on the phone. And that's where the heat bypasses when you're not running the cabin heat. Right up in there. You can see the hose for it right there. Ivo prop. This is my Kitfox 1. Yeah. You should be able to get a pretty good visual of that.
Hold on.